It breaks my heart how few business people understand this. And the ones that do understand it, they still don't change their process. What am I talking about? People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. Just think about the last time somebody told you they were sold something. Oh man, somebody sold me this piece of junk used truck, but I bought a brand new Ford F-150. I love it. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. So I need you to realize that and position your communications in these 4 ways. Number 1, take the time in the beginning to truly learn about the person you're communicating with, about their organization, about their wants, their needs, their hopes, their dreams. Spend time learning about them. Don't even start by talking about yourself. Number 2, take a breath, think, figure out how your product, service, or solution or yourself can help them get closer to their ideal situation. And then, and only then, you can start talking. You need to relate how your product, yourself, your solution will help them get to their ideal scene. And then number 4, you need to have a close that's not pushy, not manipulative, not forceful, and not salesy in any way. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. My name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.